If you are standing on the road and asking for directions to go to a place 10-15 minutes away, what are the general terms you are going to hear? Straight, right, left, front, back, things like that. So today we are going to cover relative directions in Bengali so you can navigate on the streets. The first word is shoja. Shoja, straight. Go straight is shoja jao. A straight road is called shoja rasta. Turn is bak. Bak. Notice that the N is in brackets, so it's not pronounced fully. It's a light touch of N written with a chandra bindu in the script. So bak is turn. Take a turn is bak now. We saw that a straight road is called shoja rasta. Now a meandering road or a zigzag road is called baka rasta. Baka, coming from bak, baka rasta. Right. Right has two words. The most commonly used colloquial word is dan. Dan. And there is a more classical word coming from Sanskrit. It is dokhin. Dokhin is not very commonly used for relative directions because of the fact that dokhin also means north, which is an absolute direction. So dokhin can mean right if it is used in a very old text, but generally dokhin means north, which is an absolute direction, which we will cover later. So for our purposes, possibly dan is the most important word we need to remember. Now to the right can have all these different forms. Dan dike. Dik means direction. Dan dike means to the direction of right. Hat is hand. Dan hate means to the right hand side. Or you can hear words like daine or dahine. Dahine is more closer to the Hindi pronunciation, so you will hear it much lesser. The more common Bengali pronunciation is daine. So dan, dan dike, dan hate, daine. All of these means right or to the right. And if you want to say go right, then you can say dan dike jao or daine jao. The opposite one, left, is ba. Ba. Again, the Sanskrit word is bam. Bam is again less commonly used, and more common one is ba. Similar to dan, you have all these variations. So ba dike means to the direction of left. Ba hate means to the left hand side. Bae is to the left. So you can hear all of these variations. Again, if you want to say go left, you can say bae jao or ba dike jao or ba hate jao. Quick point, not related to directions per se, but left wing or leftists are called Bamponthi and right wing is called Dokhinponthi. Next one is front. Front has two words which are not exactly interchangeable. So shamne is in front of and age is ahead. So you can say shamne jao means go in front of, or shamner dike jao, go in the direction of the front side. Age is to go ahead, like let's say you have walked 5 minutes on a road and you ask someone where is this particular building, they can tell you arektu age, means you have to go a little more ahead. So shamne is in front of something, but age means to go ahead, like you have to walk a little more. In that sense, those are not exactly interchangeable, but even if you how should I say, mix up those two, people will still be able to follow you. Back is pichon, pichon, and to the back is pichone. Up is upor or opor, we can have both spellings and both pronunciations depending on whether you are following the old text or new text, and both of them are still in use. It's still in common use, so both opor and upor are used. Again, towards upside is opore or upore. Down is neech, downwards is niche, neech and niche. I hope you can now navigate on the roads and you can follow people if you have asked them for directions.